kining greeting ni Arlo. Oh, dito. Oh, sige. Bang. Ito, tapos na to masuntok. Bang. Water. Why? Good morning. Morning. Good morning.
Hello, my boy, my best boy. My favorite boy.
Dede.
Pit, Senyor Kang Hindi Kini. Hey, Pit, Senyor Kang Hindi Kini. Hey.
Di.
Pit Senyor de!
Pit Senyor.
Pit Senyor de! Kang hindi kini!
Ano mo di, ay? Senior ka din?
Power ta de!
Morning. Very fresh from the
Morning,
shower.
my boy.
Good morning. Our last breakfast here today is checkout day. Ano ba yan? Nauna na sila ate. Sunod kami. Where's everyone?
Good
Morning,
Where's everyone?
How's your day, my boy?
Alam nyo ba, ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Hindi masyado
Hurry up, my
mainit.
boy.
Papauwi na kami tapos ang ganda ng weather. Hey. Sayang. Our outfit. Cebu League, Philippines. Happy breakfast! Heidi! Oh. Fresh makas Didi. Nawala mo ng kuryente. Nawala? Gabi eh. Mga alas 2 kapin. Kamata ko. Yan aircon, wala ko siya na off. Pero ang ano, oh thank you Weng. No.
Call me.
Pero ang ano
You got a better face. Oh, yeah.
yeah.
You do?
Really, really. Yeah. Hello, first baby. Ito yung kasama kong ligo. Ay, sorry dahil.
Machi kami nakita. Oh, no. And mama pala din. Iba lang yung kulay ni mama. Tak-in kong tak.
Ay, kumakatak-in.
Ako na lang yung mo agay para mama.
Grabe siya. Ay, may pusit. Very pusit.
Bol ka ninyo, boss.
Napay suka.
Lolo rin.
Sir ka?
Do you have mini? Mama, pala ko sa mini din. Mini lang ka tulong mini. Welcome. Ate.
Isa kanyang green rice na?
You good? Hamid mo.
Tekos tugas.
Checkout time. We are going. Dapat 11:30 sana kami mag-check out. Pero ngayon na. Mas okay na ngayon na kasi ready na naman kami. Final check. La na? Basin ba? Nain na nga tagak sa ilalom. La na? Kani, man na nag-check dong. Sa pinakababaw, di ko kita ba ya? Let's go. Dere. On the move! Bumalik yung init. So, mas okay na ngayon talaga tayo umuwi. Asan na sila ate? Si Arlo is, umiiyak pa si Dudong Arlo. Naiwit si Dudong. Good thing our ate Ayla is okay. Good mood. Mode, kinadi silpon nila. Marlon, oy!
Hindi daw, hindi. Nakangin na.
Thank you, Bajan. Thank you. We're going back to the place where we belong.
To a place where there's a good internet.
Ayla, come here.
Kulot!
Takwanan man. Dili siya. Dili siya. Up. Hey. Up. Okay. Okay. Ang nanay. 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 Sama na. Muna ako i-try. Bago lang. May pa-shout out dito sa gilid. O, tapa. Simot hin. Ah, mana ka? Okay, sa paman hin.
You wanna go there, Lee?
Andito pala kami sa Karkar. Guys, ano grand? Dito kami kakain ng mga inasal, guys. Pwede ra. Iipit lang diha. Hindi pa kami nakakain ng mga inasal. So, let's do it here. Alo wants to buy this one. Are you sure? This one or Santo Niño? No, this one. Feather one. It's for sinulog. Come.
Recipe Palabrica, please contact local 110. Recipe Palabrica, please
It's so
contact
nice.
local 110.
It's a neck pillow. It's for the neck. Boy, kailangan ka cheese? Excuse me. Tama, balik ka. Naka-neck pillow naman si Didi. Baka simple mo ba? Nice kid color, no? Ito, oh, naka-sale. Red girl. Ay, hindi red girl. Krisa. Krisa. Try on home. Charis. Nice na nang nag-una nga color food ay. Pero nice food ni dagan maparis. Ay, wali packet. Ay, na siya packet pero nice different. Lo nice a bit eh. Nice color. Oh, nice lang gray.
Ayan ka na, Che. Ayan ka na, Che.
Dako man good ni. Pangita lang sa amin marble. successful yung ating pagmang-inasal, guys. So, ano na lang tayo. Wala sila available chicken.
That's me.
So, punta na lang tayo sa famous Karkar Public Market na maraming lechon. Masarap na lechon daw. Yan na lang yung gagawin natin dito sa Karkar.
You draw another Tito Wings.
Public Market lechon section.
Bakal ba tawa itong spicy? Ang tilawan ba?
Oh, nice spicy. Naloka man kami, guys. Ay, nung pagpasok namin dito, sobrang palang dami ng tao or mga tindera ba na parang anyuin ka ba? I-first way ka ba? Ang ingay, grabe. Sobrang ingay. Para kami na-overwhelmed. Hindi kami nag-exit lang kami actually. Tapos pumunta kami dito sa taas. Dito sa taas yung eating place nila. At may mga karinderya din. Hello. You wanna eat, boy? Ayla,
Where's?
you wanna eat?
You wanna eat? Why? Eat right first.
Yeah, keep eating, Ayla.
Oh. There you go, girl. Okay na pod.
May atay din.
Yeah, later on. Lechon din siya na. Lechon tayo.
Sarap.
Pero na,
Masarap.
Lechon na lang doon.
First time namin dito. Diba? Guys, may suka. 50 pesos na suka. Binili ni Ika. Okay lang. Hindi lang, i-dip lang.
Bengel.
Drink natin, Mountain Dew. Alin ba? Asa man ito? Gusto guys.
That's a flavor. Yeah.
Lagi no?
Gitay man. Lamay kigi patilaw nga gumkum kay ba.
Mau ba?
Dako kigi patilaw.
Kasi nalasa. Kaya guys, masarap. Buti nga lang sa kontak. Kami. Ayan. My God, very nice. Mangustin, 120 lang. Tapos rambutan. Kaunin na inyo ha, di na natilaw.
I know.
We are just having some fruit. Rambutan. Along, I'm eating your favorite fruit. Rambo. No, there's some more there.
What the heck? Only one more.
Oh, you want one more? Okay, boy. Okay, tamis eh, kete. Yeah, tamis eh, rambutan. You want rambutan sad? Tanang batang bael. Oy!
I'll just in the jumbo.
Wala ganon sa rambutan, ti.
And they have the jumbo.
Oh, so yummy biyan ni promise. Lisayo. Oh, so good biyan ni Ayo kan ang kuan. Na, mura lagi vampire. No.
I show you.
All the way.
What are you looking for?
Lugayan. Ikaw na kuha ang rambutan. Kuha ang rambutan. Sikag sayaw di ha.
You need to be
I'm a Smurf. Little blue people.
Little blue people.
The wine one.
Lingaw kaya mong di hulo. Di lamig kay di. Uy, nawati na ingkit na ng Lisa.
Kani gamay ba? Recently per kagat ba?
Gito, buang na siya.
Yan ay tawag lang check.
Napuso ko. Di, nagtulo-tulo na kitang mayo na rin eh. Masayaw na yun.
Sa ano, di ba saan ako kamot ako eh?
Di, mas utro na. Si ang ulo ni Arlo, baho na ning rambutan.
This is not.
Agay! Yung apil pa gini.
Okay.
Very good. La, namahid pa. Pamaakron. Pamaakron. Ay, ayun, nalisa na. Ate. Ano, di ba kaya? Ayun, Gino. No more. No more, di. Sige lang sayaw. Okay na ka, di? Salamat kay kinakakaon. Diyo kong maayo. Kakaon ko. Ayaw pa maak lagi. Maak. Suko mo siya. Oh, more, ay, more. More?
But then you need the bleep.
Say more.
No, like it.
More. Oh.
You need Georgie to win.
Hello. Cute toy.
Filipino hair.
Filipino hair. Like
Wala na Filipino hair. Side lang ligaw.
hello. Samahan natin si Mama at saka si Ayla ay sasama kay Mama mag-Zumba. Zumba Mama with Ayla. Let's go! Dito na pala tayo sa bahay. Let's go! Ha? Bito, kakarating lang namin. Gala na naman. Family after bakasyon. Ikaw, Mark.
58.50.
Pila?
58.50.
Pila mo ka
58.5.
before? Pila mo ka before?
Matulog.
47 na karon.
Uy, napalo man.
Lagi, guba na rin mo.
Okay.
Chabang!
Plus 1. Plus 1 kg. Gawin.
Oy, sakto man na sila. Kay na. Uy, kamangka. Sige, uy, sige. Ano mo kagamay?
Wait, ma-zero.
What? Dili ka. Wait.
We win 59.
59.6.
59.6.
Gani, 60
Gain
ko.
ka? Gain ka?
57 ko.
Nag-gain ng weight ang lahat.
Choyin boy! Nandun mo boy!
Nakuha sa 50.
Plus 3. Sama ka. Plus 3.
50.40.
Si ate. Hindi, halika. Only goes the weighing scale. Wait. Si Indy is... Hindi, one to ready go. Hindi, look.
What?
What's this? What's this?
Are you cheated?
Boy, guwapo, boy!
10 point something. 9 point, 10 point something. Kita nyo yung aming hindi. Sobrang lakas kumain yan.
Di.
Ay, sorry di. Body shamer man ta, oy.
Klaro sa sa dito.
Body shaming? Body shaming?
Gusto ba sa nice day?
Guys, kain. Balot. Last balot.
Mami, aga pata sa
Last kain natin today.
Ikaw ta.
Perfect. Okay.
Kinsa man din yung mga balot diri wala si mama ni. Manako.
Sabi reflection sa ano.
Mami,
Yung suka natin kanina sa ano, sa lechon. Dinala talaga namin kasi masarap. 50 pesos, ganito kalaki.
Okay.
Oh my God, ang sarap. Na, para. Busog daw. Busog daw.
Busog na busog.
Busog. Kanina pa busog. Pero kanina pa kumakain. Kain lang ang kain.
Baka ano dito dito ka lang. Naman beta.
Sorry, Lord. Hala, mag-beer na po daw, taday. Mana po nga, okay raw niya. Manigahata ka. Nahurot ko, manusarot na po. Una si Inday siya. Uhaw ka siya.
Kani o glass ba?
Ah, okay, gamay ra na.
Ato na lang mo pang diet sa inyong lugar.
Na, di diet ning abot na ko sa Australia kay kusog yung luto ang kauban.
Hala.
Sama na.
Kumaulasok ko.
Tama na, no? Ibo na.
Hala, so kuan jud ta dayon daw na. Okay na ni mo, miss?
Nga.
Wala sa nili tong lako.
Sige, okay na.
And 6 plus. What does I
Sarap
plus I equal again?
16.
Diretso na ni sa kuan.
Oh.
Diet mo yung ikaw man na, nagkahawa na mo. Diet mo ha?
Balik na siya sa
Fasting ha? Intermittent fasting to sila eh. Di ba ikaw intermittent fasting mo ka daw?
Unsa man intermittent fasting no?
Kanang late ka mag-breakfast
Nagpa-fasting
na.
to sila.
Ayaw kayo ka mag-dinner.
Dumating kami, WhatsApp.
Kabaw ka, ina naman ako, wala na ako ng tuyo. Pero nga naman ako, di mo ko mag-breakfast.
Actually, di ko ganahan kayo mag-breakfast.
Okay.
Di ko na mag-morning.
Take.
Ano, wala yung
Take
kanang
plus.
Bakit lang naman to? Hindi ka na natin eh?
dili adto ni suki nang to na tatay.
Yasuki yung wala na tapos.
Dili ka tarong mo rin mo ba? Dili.
Yun sa amin eh, unsa may wow, nice yun, kaboy!
No.
Dili na may lamta ng bel.
Balik panguha na.
Nice yun, kaboy!
Mura si
Kabaw
kinala
ka,
Carlo.
ang ka-arlo kayo naliwat sa shape sa pangdan, ninutal guys, ulo ni Dan, mura yung itlog ba?
Guys, we are gonna do a haul. So, sa nabili natin sa ating gala today, my God, it's actually tiring. Parang ang haba ng biyahe natin ngayon. Ang dami pa nating napuntahan. But anyhow, masaya naman. And alam nyo, few days na lang kami dito. 2 days from now, oh my God, flight na. Actually, naka-receive na ako ng email na pwede na ako mag-check-in. Yes. So, malapit na tayong mag-bye-bye. Anyway, ito yung nabili namin sa Shamrock. I'm so glad na nag-stop kami doon at nakabili tayo nito. Kasi hindi na ako mamumblema. But anyway, pupunta naman kami bukas actually sa mall. So, meron akong gusto talagang bilhin. Meron akong gustong i-try na product. Mabibili ko talaga siya bukas. That's gonna be our last gala para sa ating trip ngayon sa Pilipinas. So, bumili ako ng OTAP. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Kasi the last time na we went to SM, natapos na silang, hello! Natapos na silang magbayad. Doon ko palang nakita yung OTAP. Mia.
Sorry, Teacher Rich.
That's okay. It's okay. I was here. Tapos, I also bought this one. Ito yung bagong product nila. Sabi ni Kuya, Choco OTAP Crunch.
Teacher Rich, did you do this one?
Yes, I'm
Did
gonna...
you do this one?
Yeah, this one, yes. I will bring this to Australia. This is the special bizcocho din.
Teacher Rich,
Masarap din.
are you going to Australia with me?
Same day, but different flight. So, different airplane.
Oh,
But we can see each other,
yeah.
yes.
So it's going to be the same hour.
No, not the same hour. 2 hours after, I'm gonna arrive to your house.
Then how many is it going to be one? Huh? I don't remember how many hours did we spend at plane. Wait, are you going to stay in the same hotel?
You're not gonna go in a hotel anymore. You're just flying.
Just
Right.
one flight?
It's not a straight flight. You're gonna have a layover, but just for a few hours. Oh, another one is banana chips. Ito. So, yan yung aking nabiling pasalubong sa Shamrock. And then, we went to Gaisano. So, we went to the mall today.
Yes.
Ito yung nabili ko. Actually, konti lang. Nakakatawa guys kasi nga na parang na-caught na attention namin yung mga jacket or mga sweater ng
We got
Krisa.
some clips.
Yes, clips. Sige, ito muna.
We got 3 clips.
Yes.
One's brownies. Is this a brownish again?
Yeah,
And
brownish,
it's a blackish.
blackish. How much is it?
Um,
Oh, 49 pesos only. Really cheap.
yeah.
Pretty cheap.
Is this for you?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, because mine is like this.
Yeah, that's true, ate. So, also, yun na nga, na-caught ng attention namin ni Ikang yung mga sweater ng Krisa. So, ano na kami doon, try on na kami, tapos pumunta
You
kami.
touch it, you buy it.
I know, that's what Tito Mark said? Or, oh no, that's what you said. You touch it, you buy it.
Yeah, because your hand might be dirty.
And we were very confused. So may nakita na ako na gusto ko talaga. I was meant to buy it. Kailangan natin mag-English. I was meant to buy it, but then I let go for a few seconds and then kinuha ng babae. The sweater that I really like, it's a cream colored one. I let go of it for a few seconds. The other lady actually took it.
Why?
Because she wants it too.
Which lady?
The other lady, the one wearing white. So I was waiting for her
My
to let
dad's
go of it.
size, I don't know why my dad has like a size 4 on a swimmer.
Mm-hmm.
But grown-ups don't have numbers. It's large, small, and middle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Medium, yeah.
yeah.
So, I didn't get it because the lady took it away from me. I was wearing it the whole time. I was showing it to everyone. Everyone was like, yeah, get it. So, I don't have a sweater now.
And mine white.
Your mommy got a sweater. Tita Ikang got a sweater. Me, I didn't get the sweater because the lady took it. I just got this one down.
I might just tell my mommy you just buy wait. I think they have wait, do you want to wait, I think they have sweaters at the
Tomorrow we're gonna go to the mall. So
Yeah,
hopefully they
and
have
we're
the
gonna
same
pick-
design.
and hopefully we get that gift and we put it and we call the police.
We call the police for the girl.
And we don't slap her in the guts.
Oh, Anyway, I got this one instead. This is from, actually not Krisa, this is from Red Girl.
I like this.
This is cords. This is a skirt.
It's like the same. Is it off without skirt?
Like it's a short, but it looks like a skirt. So it's a skirt. So ayan yung bottom. That's the bottom and this is the top. It's very lightweight.
Yeah.
It's thin. And I don't know if the
I
material,
don't-
I'm
I
pretty
don't
sure it's
like
cotton.
going, like,
Something cotton and plus
In
spandex.
that day, it was like really hot. I like sweated, and I said,
Mhm.
"Oh my god, I need to bring my sweater." But I almost lost it because I let go, and then I almost put it in the mud. But lucky I spread it, and then I almost touched it. It was funny. But I like just clapped.
Yeah. And how was your dancing today with Lola?
It was good.
It was really good. You were really good.
I was like when I did this, I was like,
Mm.
like
Are you happy that you did it? Because it took a while for you to actually dance. I'm so glad you did it. I saw you and you were just laughing and you were just giggling. You were so happy because you love dancing.
I started when I was 2,
Yeah, I know.
and I stopped when I was 4 because
Yeah.
I wanted to do gymnastics.
So you were really good
And
at
when I was 2, mommy started with me, and then
it. Mm. So next time you don't be shy dancing because you were really good at it. You had your dancing lesson before.
but the man was looking at me weirdly.
Who was the man looking at
The-
you? Because he was one of the guys. He knows you. That's it for today, guys. We really enjoyed our Badyan trip.
And I got some stationery.
Yeah, you got some stationery as well in the mall.
And the
You're very
lady
lucky.
kicked us because I put that sticky note, and I say, "Oh, Mom, I got found a sticker." Okay, you buy, and when I opened it, it was like that's like mini color paper.
I know, but it was very good.
Wait, you just said the same things. Like I said, I know, and you said I know.
Can you show them your hands? You will be using your stationery and your pens, different colored pens. Yeah, Ate is very artistic. It's a good day today. It's a good day today, isn't it?
Yeah, no.
Yeah. It's a good day.
Papa!
Very good. Anyway, good night, guys.
Good night.
Tomorrow we're gonna be early. We're gonna go to the mall. So see you
No, we not.
tomorrow.
Wait, we shower.
Good night, guys.
Good night.